Right, so what we'll do, I think what we'll do now, since we're at it, we'll put the diode in and the resistor. Put the diode and the resistor in. We'll just find my tag strips, they're here somewhere. Right, there's my tag strips. Oh. There you go. There's my tag strips. Now let's see how we're going to do this. Right. So, I know there's not been out from me for quite a while, guys. I'll be honest. I'm getting fed up with this whole YouTube thing. I can't be bothered with it, to be honest. You know, I think I'm getting to the point where I don't want to do it. So, there we go. I mean, right, where's my resistor? There's my resistor. Right, I'm just getting to the point, guys, where I just can't be bothered with it. You know, we don't need the transistor checker. Not on this thing, we don't. Right, well, this is, as I say, fuck me. This is the bush. Let's get a diode. This is the Bush AU31D add-on amplifier. So we're going to use plenty of these fucking these diodes. What are these fuckers? He'll do. I mean, there's a lot of these here. Right. There you go. Right. Move the power lead. Just shift that shit out of the way, get sorted out. I am, guys, I'll be honest, I'm getting fed up of doing this. Fuck's sake. I'm getting to the point now where, you know, I just don't want to do this. Getting fed up of fucking about, sitting here doing this. I'll still do electronics, I just probably won't be doing the YouTube bit. You know, I've just had enough of it, to be perfectly honest. Just clean my meter. There we go, a bit of a dust on my meter, that's better. There we go. I'll still do the electronics, guys, don't get me wrong, that's going to be kind of, we're going to be doing that. I'll never go doing electronics. But I just can't be arsed with the fucking, can't be arsed with the videoing anymore, I've just had it enough. Right, so this end here goes to the transformer. So that end goes to your transformer. So we're going to clip it. We're going to clip him off there. I mean, in reality, I mean the issue here. Right, let's have a look at how we're going to do this nice and make it look neat. Make it neat even. Where's me? I did have my strips a minute ago, didn't I? I've lost them. There they are. Right, now I'm just getting fed up of it, guys, I'll be honest. You know, fed up of pissing about. Right. I mean, there's not really anything in it for me as such. We've got this here. So if I clip that there, it flies off. Where the fuck? Oh, there it is. Where's that gone? There it is. I'll be honest with you guys, I'm just had enough of it. And I just want fucking... I just want fucking rid of it, to be honest. I've had enough of this fucking YouTube shit, can't be bothered with it. I think we're going to be getting rid of it, guys. It's... right, so let's take this off here. Right, so what we want... Right. Well, we can take that clip off there. We can bend that out of the way. Because we don't need that. Don't want to run the risk of shorting out onto ground. But I do need the bottom bit so we can anchor it down. Doesn't fucking want to cut though. Just snap it. Because we only want the fucking front really. We only want the bit where we screw it down. These clippers are getting a bit crap. Mind you, I've had them for a long time. I got them off Mike, Racing Demon, and that's cracked there, but that's no problem. Just try and clip that there so we can, that's cracked there, so we might have to redo it. That there, out of the way. And that there, out of the way. Yeah, it was supposed to break the other way, but it didn't. Right. Maybe put a bit of glue on there. Might not need to, it might be okay. No, I'm not going to risk that. Let's do another one. Get me knife. What we'll do, we'll see if we'll snap this even. It should just go there, and it hasn't done. That's actually not as bad. That's not as bad, that's not going to go anywhere, that. Yeah, that's better, we can use that. Right, so, what we need to do next, for it finally happened, I met her today. Dee 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 dee. Dee 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 dee. And what I'll do, I'll leave that there because that's ground. I might be able to bring a ground from that to might be able to use that. There we go. Get me solder. sorted, shall we? Yeah, I'm getting a bit fed up of this YouTubing shit, guys. I mean, I may consider so we've got that there. Then we can take that. Let's put that there for a minute. We can take that to there. Let's have a look. See, we could really put the fucking diode straight across that and the resistor, but we don't know, do we? So I'm just trying to work out the best way to put it through. Let's clip this off. Let's clip this off. We'll clip it because right, well we can probably leave that there for a minute. No, let's clip them off. Yeah, I've not got long, guys, because I've got to sort his tea out in a minute. But just for a minute, I thought, well, while I'm doing fuck all, we'll come in and we'll get something done on this. I want to try and do this in one video if I can. I need to clean that dust off there. I'll try and do this in one video if I can. Where's the fucking other screwdrivers? Do I even fucking own one? I don't know why. Screwdrivers don't seem to fucking fit. For fuck's sake. I'm sure we've got one somewhere. Well, this one. All these fucking screwdrivers and you can't find one that fits. No, I'm getting fed up of this fucking YouTubing shit, guys. I mean, what I might do the last few repairs I've got. The next few repairs I've got, I might do those. But, you know, you've seen me. You know, you've seen me do a garage fucking deck. You've seen me do all this shit. You know. You've seen me do all this, and to be perfectly honest, well, lost that nut. Yeah, I probably have. It's fucking fell off somewhere. There it is. Oh no, I haven't lost it, it's still there. That's the one out, the screw out the other side. Make sure we don't lose any of these, because we need at least one of them put back in. Might have to drill a hole as well. Right, so let's see. So that's your rectifier. Yeah. Might have to put another hole in there. Right. What we could do, we could put it in that way round, which is okay. May have to drill a hole through here, or put this, or even put this way. I don't know. I don't know. There's the wire going. Right, that's your wire there going through your transformer. Put that there a minute. Yeah, that's your... I'm not knocking everything over, look. Right. So let's pull this out of here. Can I take that out? Yeah, I can. So I'll put that back. Don't need to fucking go through all that, do I? Right. We'll do that there for a minute. Now, there you go. So what we'll do is we'll peel this back. This is the bit that we soldered to our diode. I'll be honest guys, I'm getting fed up with this shit. Right, this one is to our, remember we've got to connect our grounds up yet for this. This hasn't been connected yet, the ground for this has got to be done. That's no problem. This is the wire from the transformer. So we can connect can we connect the transformer to that bit? Yeah, I want to work it out. I want to do it so it looks good, looks tidy. Right. So put that on there for a minute. That's okay. That's okay there. That'll fit there, no problem. Yeah, we can put that either there. I think probably the best place is probably that way round. On there or there, one of the two. Right, so if I don't know where all my little pliers and stuff are. There you go. Right. Solder that in. There you go. Forever and ever. Right, so that's one in. That's that one in. See, we can put that there, that's no problem. I would like that to be a bit further. There we go. Just pull that a bit tighter. See, I'd have liked it to have gone that way. which is what we're going to do. I'd like to put a hole there actually, which I might do actually, but that'll be tomorrow because I can't get the drill out now. But yeah, I'd like to put a hole there. I think that's the best place. Might be able to even solder it there actually. Let's get me scraper uppers. Scratch the crap off here. Because I know you can solder to this stuff. See, that'll go on there. We may have to extend them wires. Oh no, it may reach. Yeah, that's good. So let's solder this to here. Because you can solder to this stuff, because a lot of the grounds they use a lot of the grounds to solder to it. See, look at that there. Now what I'll do next is put that. Oh, that's hot. Onto there. I want this to melt. Alright. Don't want to touch the top of that, it's going to be red hot. You see, the thing is, you see, this solder's thicker. Not that morning, I got Steve to get it for me before he went to America. So if I hold that there now, whoops, don't that come, oh fuck, it moved. This is getting hot, this chassis. There you go. Let that cool down. That's hot, that. That ain't going anywhere. I mean, it's even stuck to there. That bit's come off. But that ain't going anywhere. That, guys, that's perfect. I mean, I would like to have it flush, but that's okay, because this doesn't have anything to do with the diodes anyway, so we're going to anchor down to that. Right, so our diode, so if I put that way there, so if I first of all link the two wires in, I might have to put an extension on these, I don't know yet, but just try and turn that, there we go. We don't want to, no, I think we may get away with that. That's that one in. This one might be a bit tricky. Now, this one goes from here. It's a single strand wire. See what the idea was? That doesn't reach. Yeah. That doesn't reach. But it only goes to there, so we can get another wire. Let's have a look in my wire box if I can find it. Oh. May not be here tomorrow. But I'm here beside you today. See, we've got a brown or green wire, we could use that. So and I'll be true to you in my way. Life never goes on forever. At least that's what wise men all say. So we put that through there. So come on me a little, believe me, and I'll be true to you in my way. I don't want to fatigue this, so yes, I'll be true to you. So come to me. Oh, so that's the right way there. Hey, you love me, I will do to you. So I'm going to solder that there, because I'm happy with that. So I'm going to solder that there. so we're going to solder that there. But we'll come back to that in a minute. Just clip that off so I don't forget. Turn this round because we don't want to accidentally damage our diode. Right, so that's put that there. Yes, I want to get this down onto here so it looks right, because I can't get it through the fucking hole. I think that might be okay. There you go. Let's bend this back up so it's in the right position. There we go. Now this is our resistor. First of all, we need to put our wire on. Oh no, we've done that. Oh, fuck's sake. So pray and say. There you go. That's pretty good, that actually. So all we do is just feed, if we can, well, this could be a bit of a problem. Bend that up a bit. There we go. Let's solder our resistor in. So it's, I'll explain this in a second. There you go. Let's get that piece of solder out of there. See, because it hasn't been cleaned off, it doesn't stick. It only sticks if it's been cleaned off. Right, so we've done so that's the diode in. That's the resistor in. Now we're not worried about that because that's not going to go anywhere. That's good. So that's the diode in, resistor in. There's a green wire, and that green wire wants to go here. So we're probably going to have to take I'm not fucking about chopping all that, pulling all them off. Get that off there. Alright. 'Cause I'll be true to you in my way. Yes, I'll be true. That wire's come off there. It's got to be soldered back on, that's no problem. So let's push that back through to there. Because we need to get that not into my fucking finger because it hurts when you do that. Bend that over. There we go. solder that together. They were only done as a temporary measure while we got everything lined up. I've lost my solder, it's here somewhere, but oh, there it is. Right, so what we'll do, that's come off. I just fucking bent that round. Yes, I'll be true. That's on. Now the next one is to just put a hook in this, and just very carefully without clipping it. Yes. Yeah, I'm considering calling it a day on this fucking YouTube bit like malarkey, guys. I'm getting a bit fed up of it, to be honest. That's why you're not seeing a lot from me, because I can't be bothered with it. I mean, I'll be honest, I mean, so that's now done. So all we need next is a lead to go from here to our ground, and we can use this one. Just clip this down a bit. I know what I want to do. Feed it through there, can't I? Feed that through there. Bring that over the top. Yeah, I've had enough of it, guys. It's one of those things, you know, where you know, nothing lasts forever, does it? I mean, you get fed up of after a while. I mean, oh yeah, I've got almost 4,000 subscribers. Half of them don't even fucking watch. They're just making up the numbers. You know? A lot of them don't even watch, so just making up the numbers, really, guys. That's all it's doing. It's just making up the numbers, and that doesn't quite reach to there. Oh well. Where else are we going to? Well, where have we got another ground? Where have we got another ground? That doesn't, mind you, can I push that a bit further through? No, I can't. There as far as they go. Oh well, never mind. We're going to have to just fucking make another ground, aren't we? There was one somewhere around here, but I can't see it. So we're just gonna so come to me a little, say you love me. I've got to go in a minute, guys. Doesn't look like Christine's coming here tonight. I'll have to feed him in a minute, guys, and take him for his walk. See, the good thing about these is you can solder to it. That's a nice thing about it. So I want to try and do this in one go, this video. There you go. That's the ground on the chassis. See, that's not going to come off there, that's good. Right. So we can just pull this up a little bit, just, there we go. That's it. That looks all okay. So that's the diode going into there, and the red and the green, which is right. And I'll be true. Right. So. Yeah. Where's Scraps? Get away from them wires. You know you're not allowed near the wires. Keep telling him. Right, that's a bit melted. Right, where's the valves? Let's get the valves. Pop the valves in. It uses. See this. We've got a couple of more videos come on the record player, but this will not on this amp though. This will be the last on this amp. Hope these valves are okay. I don't even know. I've never checked, but I can't anyway. It needs cleaning, this chassis. Right, so now all we do is just clean this. We can test this amp in a second. And try it out. Make sure it works. We'll see if it works even. Because I don't know what the issue was with this. Because I never tried it when I bought it. Because I don't try them when I buy them, because in case there's a dodgy, if something's not right, let's get the safe block, if we can fucking get to it. Oh, where's the safe block? There's the amp. There's the amp case for the amp. Now, where's the safe block? Looking on here somewhere. But yeah, I've had enough of it. I'm being honest with you guys. You know, I might channel my thoughts into something else. Don't know what yet, but yeah, I think we might plug that into there. Into there. Put the earth in. Do. I can shift that out of the way for a minute. Just pull this out for a sec, just double check everything. Is that right? I don't know whether that's... No, it's not. It is and it isn't. What I need to do, just clip that off there. Take the diode off that. Clip the resistor there. Get rid of that wire there because we don't need it. Then just put the diode see, that's how we need it. So we're feeding in through the resistor into the diode into the circuit. It wasn't a bad mistake, it's just that I would have put the diode in series, and the resistor in series instead of in parallel. That's all it would have done. Probably would still have worked, but that's that like that. That's how it should go. That was the issue. Wasn't really an issue, I mean it would have worked. Don't see why not. Right, plug it in. Right, get the meter. At least that's what I say to you. Right. Where's me clips? Where's me crocodile clips? There's a couple there. But that's they're not joined, they're not together. There's two clips that have been cut. There we go. So come on and do it to me. So there's the ground. We can clip the ground, clip it anywhere really. Clip the ground there. And then where's the red one going? Red one goes to there, but we also have one going here. Let's turn that off. Let's see. Turn it on. We're not getting anywhere there. That's not conducting. Right. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. $222.19. Yeah, 215. And I think that's the bass. So that must be treble. Should fucking tell me somewhere. I can't remember where the front is. That's bass. Yeah, don't know why it's whistling. Probably because of the old cabinet being out. But the HT might be a bit low there because of where, what do you call it? We're on that speaker. Let's go over to the other side. $218. Careful where I put my fingers. Let's turn this round because I want to go on. I want to go on there. Right. It's just gone off. Why has it just gone off when I've done that? Could be that. But I want to look at the HT here. Oh, the light's not come on. It could have been that loose. Was it the fuse bulb? I just want to look at the HT. No? Oh, hang on. Yeah. Hi, Christine.
You're right, I'm late.
No, you're not, because you're always late. Where have you been?
I've been to the hospital to see Lynn. She's back in again.
Oh, aye. Yeah, Laura was here earlier, but you already know that.
Yeah, you tea?
No. Right, 225, 224, 221. What?
You want to feed him?
No, you feed him. Right, that's working now, guys. See how it bleeds off. Should bleed off pretty quick. It has. There's fuck all there, 11, 10 volts. Yeah, that's good. Let's bleed off pretty quick. 8 volts on that one. Right. So that's the amplifier working. That's a clean bill of health on the amplifier. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this up. So I'm going to put that way. I'm going to upload this, guys, for you. I'll run it through the editor, join it to the other piece, and we'll upload this as one video. Why not? Thank you very much, guys. Like, share, subscribe. Buy me a coffee if you want to, and I'll be back this way later. Catch you for that. Bye for now.